This is the unpacking of the Bestron Summer Breeze ceiling ventilator. And first you have to cut very carefully some tape, and especially very carefully with the tape on the top, because when you open it you can see that you have the blades directly under it. So if you cut it with a knife this way, then you have of course an enormous scratch on your blades. We have the manual inside. We have a small card that all kinds of lamps, bulbs can be placed in it. We have a lot of packaging material, that's good. Of course the blades. Screws, bolts, washers, and this was for eventual alignment. And you can lift the packaging material and then you see the rest inside. Check if nothing is broken. This is the cover for the lamp. Here we have the mounting plate. This one must be screwed to the ceiling and it should handle a weight of 10 kilograms. Here we have the remote control with the holder for it and some electronics for inside the ceiling part. And here we have the motor and the ceiling parts. So let's further read the manual. It's in multiple languages, and then I will try to install it. So I have removed the parts, individual parts, out of the box to have an impression of the construction, because sometimes I do something smart that was not so smart afterwards. For example, I saw that if you slide this receiver already in the mounting plate, then it is hard or even impossible to hang the complete fan to the ceiling. This is the way it works. You have here a hole and a pin, and you have here an opening now at the other side. So when this is mounted, you need to hang it like this. I'm not sure if you can see it. This is the way it hangs, and then you have enough space to place the receiver. And you can also see these screws, why you should not remove them all four, because one, you can slide this cover over it and then you place the other screw. And about the lamps, you can see that you can do a candle lamp. So, time to start the work. Would you like to see the result? Subscribe by clicking on the CRX logo and you can find it likely. Bye!